Hi everyone, it's Heidi, and it's time for a tip for the week for essential oils. And I'm going to share a little bit more about the French aromatherapy book that I was reading and just about carrier oils. And I don't really use carrier oils that much, but it's kind of fun when you can maybe have kids that you want to dilute it for, or if you're making up a special recipe or something like that. So, and I always thought, oh, just coconut oil, doesn't really matter what kind of carrier oil that you use, but she has a whole list of all the different kinds of oils. And she said the best thing to do is to think about what you're using it for and what body part that you're putting it on. But to save you a little bit of time, if you didn't want to get too specific, the best carrier oil that she says to use is grapeseed oil. So I went ahead and ordered some, and I'm going to try it out and different carrier oil things that I might need. And so I thought I would give you guys that tip. If you're going to be using carrier oil, the best one is grapeseed, but not that any of the other ones are bad for you or anything like that, but I thought that would be kind of fun to share with you. So I hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later.